it's Kalea, and for today's video, as you guys might have already saw, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really cute popcorn outfit. I took it off right now, but I still left the little like bows on and the earrings and the necklace on because I didn't feel like taking them off right now. This is actually very easy and simple to make. It might look hard to make like a lot of time and stuff, but actually this only took me maybe less, yeah, less than a day. It's like really simple. The stuff you probably already have laying around your house. It's just really simple. Everything is basically made out of like paper. Like the earrings are made out of paper, the choker out of paper, the bows out of paper. Well, this is felt, but the popcorn on the shirt made out of paper. The only thing that's really like clothes is just um the skirt and the shirt, which the shirt is basically just a white like tank top shirt. You can use that. And then for the skirt, it's like a just a white mini skirt, like a white pencil skirt. And what I did was basically I took fabric paint and I painted stripes on the skirt, which you guys will see me doing later in the video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's really easy to make, and I hope you guys, if you guys want to try it, then you guys can try it out. So continue watching. Hey guys, so first what I'm doing is I am taking some tape and I'm just making a kind of like a guide for me so that when I paint it, it will be a nice straight line. So that's why I'm using the tape just to make a straight line. So now I'm taking some red fabric paint, and you want to make sure it's fabric paint so that when you wash it, it won't, if it's regular paint, it's probably going to fade and then the colors are going to get all messed up. So make sure that you are using fabric paint. And be very like take your time when you're doing this, because if you mess up, it will be very hard to get the fabric paint off, because fabric paint is meant for fabric. It like sticks on. So just take your time, and I would recommend using the tape as a guide. So now what I am doing is I am doing the same thing on the other side, taking the paint and painting over the tape so that when you peel the tape off, it will be a straight line rather than it being all messy. It's a lot easier too, instead of freehanding. So just do that, and then when you're done, you're going to fill it all in. So, yeah. And I'm doing big lines and small lines. So this is the finished product. This is what it looks like, as you can see. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the shirt. What you're going to do is take some regular plain white paper and tear it in half and crumble it into kind of like a popcorn shape, basically just crumbling it up and then hot gluing it onto the shirt. Make sure that in between the shirt you have a piece of cardboard so that the the hot glue will not stick to the other side of the shirt. And you're going to do this to the whole entire shirt. I'm just showing you guys basically what to do. Then you're just going to be taking some plain yellow paint and just dabbing that on some places of the paper just to kind of give it a popcorn effect. And do this to the whole entire shirt, because you want the whole shirt to be covered in the popcorn paper. and so now I'm just doing it again. Same thing. Make sure the whole shirt is covered. So this is what the shirt looks like. So now I'm going to be doing the bow. I already previously made that bow. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make it now. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking some felt and I cut it into like a square piece, and I'm taking that same red fabric paint and just kind of like making stripes on the bottom half to kind of act like the popcorn box. Only half, because the upper half we're going to be putting more fake paper popcorn pieces. So just like little lines. It's okay if they're not perfect, but just kind of like just to see kind of the idea of what we're going for. So now once that is dry, we are going to be kind of like folding it, like turning it over, folding it again. Kind of like, I don't know how to explain that, but you guys see what I'm doing. Just like that. And then when you're done, it's going to look like a bow. Just like that. And then I'm kind of just adjusting it just so you can kind of see the bow. Then I'm taking some hot glue and gluing the pieces together so that they stick and do not come apart. And I'm going to be doing the same thing to the back of the bow, gluing the pieces together so they do not come apart and you can actually see the bow. Just like that. Now I'm going to be taking another piece of felt, and I just cut it into like a tiny rectangular piece, and I'm just going to be putting that in the middle of the bow just to kind of hide the seam that was there and just to make it look a lot prettier. Same, just adding hot glue and folding the piece of felt onto itself, just like that. And now I'm going to be taking mini popcorn pieces that I made, same as the shirt, they're just a lot smaller, and I'm going to be kind of placing them in a 3 in a row and then 1 in the middle, as you can see, just to kind of cover the whole top piece of the bow, but still want it to look like a bow. So I just did 3 and then 1 in the middle. And sorry if the camera is kind of shaky because my sister was filming and she was kind of shaking the camera, but it's okay. And now I'm taking the yellow paint, same as the shirt, and just kind of dabbing that on the popcorn pieces just to kind of give it the popcorn effect, kind of look like popcorn a little bit. So just gluing that on. And then I'm taking the same yellow paint and just painting that onto the popcorn pieces, and that is what the two bows look like. They're really cute, look like popcorn. Now I have here a plain choker that I previously had made. I didn't make the choker, but it was like a choker that I already had, and I'm taking the same paper, like popcorn pieces, and placing them just on the choker to make it look like a popcorn choker. Same as the hair bow. And now I'm going to be taking the same yellow paint and painting that onto the paper just to kind of give it that popcorn effect. So now I'm taking a regular hair tie and I'm making that look like popcorn also. Same thing as the hair tie and the choker. Taking some hot glue, taking the mini popcorn pieces, placing it onto the hair tie and making sure that I cover as much of the hair tie as I can. Taking the yellow paint and placing that onto the hair tie. Just like that. Now I'm going to be doing some earrings. So I already have made one. So what I'm doing is I'm taking an earring that I don't really wear, and I'm taking some hot glue and putting the hot glue onto the earring just a little bit. Taking another piece of that popcorn and placing it onto the earring, holding it for a little while to make sure it sticks. Then taking the same yellow paint and placing it onto the paper. So that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Guys, it's Kalea. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Of course you guys know it's Kalea. I don't know why I said, hey guys, it's Kalea. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. As you can see, very, very simple to make. I already kind of showed you what I made, like, kind of before, and then kind of just, like, showed you guys how to make it, so it wouldn't be, like, a really, really long video. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a great day.